What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new episode. So we're going to be doing a few other jobs around the garden depending on the time, but first of all let's clear out the greenhouse. So you can see the mess of the greenhouse, and you can see the size of the melon plant, so it seriously needs to go into a proper spot. And also our pasting table is actually starting to dip, and we said that this was only very temporary. So the first job is to move all of the pots off the pasting table and just down onto the ground, pretty just out here for the moment. So I'm just starting now to move the pot. So I'm just continuing to take this all down now. So now we are going to be we're going to be starting to take down the pasting table, and we had these compost bags to this was very temporary. This wasn't going to stay, but we put the some old compost bags on top just to waterproof it when we came to water. So now that we've taken off the covers, you can see how much it has dipped. So this is going to be out of commission. It'll probably go down to the tip, or it'll probably go down to the dump or something, because it's definitely not going to be able to be used. So I think the plan is maybe to carry it out and take it down outside. So now that we have taken the pasting table down, you can really see the mess that our greenhouse is in. So we were just slinging pots under there because it was like a bit of a storage area, where we were potting on, where we were where we sowed. And so the next part of this job will be to move all of that up to the shed. But we're gonna scoot off and have lunch quickly, and then we will be back. So instead of putting all of our pots and our trays in the shed, we actually decided that it was only going to take a small corner, so we moved everything over, and we actually think now that we will have enough space. And in a future episode that will be coming out in the next week or so, we're going to be putting up, we're going to be sort of, not, suspending isn't really the right word, supporting. We're going to be using supports, so they're basically they're elasticy band type things that you tie up to the top of the greenhouse, and then the tomatoes go up that. And we're also going to be doing that with our peppers. So we're going to move our pepper plants to their new home, or to not their new home, but their new section of the greenhouse. So we're probably going to have 2 rows, we're going to move all of them that are in bigger pots and on the ground. So I'm just moving them all over. Got to start a new row. So I'm just going to have my dad help me move the last couple, and then we will come back. So you can see now that we've got the rest of the peppers into place, and now it's time to move these. Now I've already moved the tapery to a spot, but I'm just going to turn this grape pot round so you guys can see how much growth it's got. So all of this will create new growth for our new grapes. So I'm gonna start. Oh, there's one more pepper here. which I'll move to somewhere, probably just here. Oop. There. Right, so I'm just going to start by moving our grate. So you can already see how much more space we're getting. So I just need to move this last one, and I'm going to spin it around on its side so we can, well, it's a bit current, so I'm going to put it there and then move that up to there. So you can see already how much space we've actually got now. So you can see here a bunch of grapes, and this is the start of our green grapes. So so you can actually see how much space we've got now. And so these peppers probably need to go into bigger pots. There's 3 here. We would need to sort of probably separate them and then put them into different pots. They're getting quite tall now. But that's it for the greenhouse. So we've actually surprised ourselves with how much room we've got. We might still move the pots up into the shed just to create a little bit more shed. I haven't 100% decided yet. Half of me's thinking, yeah, it's actually alright there. It makes it look a bit more like a greenhouse. And then half of me's thinking, well, we could have more space and it will make more space. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my brand new videos. When you do this, don't forget to click all. If you wanted to go check out the rest of my channel, just click on the Grow Your Imagination and you will be sent to my channel. So there's 2 videos here. One is the making of the greenhouse, and the other is the most recent update of the greenhouse and the garden. But I recommend the making of the greenhouse, but you can pick either one. It's up to you, whatever you think's going to interest you more. But the video's about to end, so I will see you all in the next one. Okay, bye.